Well, hello. Second video. I did have a topic to talk about today, and it pisses me off. But instead, um, went bowling. Did okay. Not very good, but okay. Everything's going okay. And then I came home, and as of right now, there are 2 or 3 fire trucks outside our street. Because we're experiencing gale force winds. I mean, like gale force to blow you over, basically. One gust and you're fucking over. And apparently, next door, I've scaffolding on the roof because of some fucking chimney, la la la, whatever, leaking, la la la, whatever. So they repaired it. But the wooden supports that you walk on and rest on, if I got, we're still on the scaffolding. And now, in these gale force winds, they've started to fly off. So the fire brigade's been called. Don't know who by, but I came home about 5 minutes ago. And yeah, so fun, to say the least. Don't even know what else to say. Work was shit. Work is always shit. And now I have a bet on with the I don't know what to call him, salesperson, that he will not announce over the tannoy that I last had sex 4 years ago on Valentine's Day of all days. So 4 years ago on Valentine's Day I last had sex. And with a woman. I'm not gay, not bisexual, if that's what you're thinking, or any you're going to comment on. I'm not. I'm straight. And yeah, so I have a bet on with him of £20 that he will not announce over the tannoy in work on February the 14th that this is the day that Philip Shaw last had sex. So we'll see. If he doesn't do it, I'm 20 quid in. If he does do it, I owe him 20 quid. I'm not going to be embarrassed because I embarrass myself every day at work. I don't give a shit. Because at the end of the day, I only spend 8 hours a day there, Monday to Friday, and I don't care what any of them think. They can think whatever the fuck they want. So, and no, I'm not posing for a photo, or I'm not posing for anything else. I'm just fucking trying to relax. It's not working. But yeah, so tomorrow's video, I can't bother to do a video tomorrow. I promise you one every day, but I can't be asked to do one every day. So it'll be every other day, or every day, or whenever the fuck I feel like it, basically. Whenever I have something to talk about. So tomorrow's video will be about the topic I want to talk about. But I'm not going to tell you what that is until tomorrow. So, wait. I deleted some people off my Facebook account because, let's face it, I'm not going to get, I deleted that Rihanna girl that I added her. I don't know why I added her. I like her. She's nice. But it doesn't matter. Who cares? Yeah, I've gone back to being like in solitude now. I used to like go out the goods out and have lunch and break there, but not anymore. I go down fucking out the way. Stay by myself mostly now. Not bothered by anything. Talk to myself, answer myself. Just go around fucking thinking of stupid stuff, morbid stuff, punching metal things, which people can't understand why I do because it hurts. Well, they think it hurts, it doesn't really hurt, I don't really care. Pain is good, so fuck it. But anyway, I think that's about it. Gonna have some food now. Good old food, healthy food. It's 10 o'clock, and I'm gonna have some food. And brush my teeth, wash my face, then go to bed. Then it's Friday tomorrow. Woo! But slowly gets through 7 hours of work. So everybody say I bet you didn't join in there, did you? No. Never mind. Anyway, Enjoy.